favorite flavor of stuffing mix at Kroger. Clearance $1.79 is $3.49. Just they're good till March 2023. Just because the boxes are smashed. I'm gonna pick up those, and I'm also gonna pick up these 12 taco shells, tortillas, seasoning, sauce, the whole shebangy. Let me see. Price is $2.79, regular $5.19. And just checking to see if there's a date somewhere on here. I'm sure it's not out of date. Pretty sure. But let's see. Let's check this one. Same thing, just smashed boxes. There it is. Good till January 2023. So I'm gonna grab these two. Keto pancake and waffle mix. $2.99 clearance, regular $5.99, good till November 2022. They have this one's chocolate chip flavored, keto friendly, same price, $2.99 was regular $5.99, good till December, the end of 2022. Nutella Go Packs, there's 4 of them, $2.99, regular $5.99. That's a good price. Date is Best By October of 2022. Cereal. Cheerios, huge box, 18.2 ounces, $2.79, regular $5.49. What they have, what else they got here? Little Swimmers. These ones are always expensive. I remember the days. $4.39, regular $8.79. Huge cornflakes box. $2.49 plus $4.99. There is some kind of spiralizer thing, $10 on clearance. But let's see. Training pants, those things are expensive again. $7.39 regular. Yeah, regular $14.79. So anybody's looking for something like that, just check your clearance spots in your Kroger's. They also end up having, there's a cake mix in there. They always have baby formula in here. That's toddler kind. $12.49, regular $24.99. Holy cow. Well, I remember the days that is so expensive. It's good to keep that stuff on hand, people. Ooh, chocolate. Oh, I want some, but I'm not. 99 cents. Any of you who like the impossible, which means impossible to eat sometimes, meatballs are on clearance, $3.99. Plant-based breakfast patty, egg and cheddar, $2.99. They have additional pork sausage links, $3.49. Good till May 3rd. There's 24 in there. Holy crap. Okay, that's good. It's actually a good one. I'm going to get some of these. Get 2 of these to put in my freezer at home. Okay, put these in first. Let's see what else is in there. Okay, so sorry for all the noise. Plant-based stuff. Plant-based. Mozzarella twist breadsticks. 5 fully baked breadsticks, $2.19. Nah, I just like regular. They have a crap ton of the 24 sausage links in there. And it's real meat. That's, I don't know what that is down there. It doesn't look that appetizing, but anyhow, it's a good deal. So always check for the end caps. Always keep your eyes out. Your plant-based, this is the freezer section. $3.29 for that. This package here, regular $6.99. And over here, these are the links I found for $3.49 for this package. These ones don't have the mark on them. Be nice if those were. But 24 country sausage patties. There's almost 2.4 pounds. Best By $4.16.22. It's for $6.75. Regular $11.99. So top shelf. Look at those. $4.29 regular, $8.59.